Hello viewers, this na Street Buzz. According to government here and say Nigerians go pay additional charges when they want withdraw and when they want pay money wey dey above 500,000. So we wan sabi the minds of Nigerians about this new policy. My name na Ifeka Doris Ifoma on top DMI TV.
I prefer cashless policy because it will make me, I will not have a lot of cash at my hand.
The policy where the government don't carry come is a good policy.
This new policy no work. We no welcome am.
That policy is not favoring me as a businessman.
I believe say with time, if the policy is meant for good, the good side of it will still manifest.
If it is a policy they want to everybody to be involved, they should do it in a situation whereby it will be favorable for people that have the money.
Now big man, now then they enjoy that thing. We be middlemen where we no get money, we run up and down. That thing we no like them at all.
Abego, you don't hear about this CBN new policy where they talk say they go add additional percentage to money where you withdraw or money where you won't pay in where they above 500,000. So how you take see this policy and how it don't affect you? It don't affect you in any kind of way. Sure you like the policy? You think say the government?
Yeah, I like them because it's not good for person where they do business. Even person where no they do business, it's not good for one to carry money way big they work out with.
For people where they do business, sure you think say this new policy go help them?
It go help them. It go help them because for them to be moving with money, big money, it's a risk. It's a risk, so it will help them.
You know, say if they can't keep this money for accounts, when they want withdraw, you know, say they go still come more money. If they want pay in, if they want withdraw. So, share you, as you did now, you feel they put money for bank without considering all this additional percentage where they go remove. Share you go still encourage you to they put money for bank.
Yeah, it's encouraging. The reason is that we marketers or we business people or even if you are a salary earner, you need to put money in the bank. The government need to help us. We too, we need to help the government in a way by paying our taxes, so that from there the government can get something and then use it to do some things that will help the common man.
Yeah, you know, go too favor us.
Why?
In the sense that if you come with cash, like today now I've made a lot of business, I've sold some things, and they control cash. Most of our customers, some of them will come with cash. So if they come with the cash, if you deposit money, they have to pay percentage, social amount. If they have to collect social amount as a percentage. If you are traveling to go and purchase goods, you need to go and withdraw as well. So if they can just work on the network, let the network be stable. Anytime you go to bank, if you withdraw or anytime you want to transfer, if you do any transfer online without a network wahala, so they need to work on the network and make this cashless policy in terms of to favor everybody. Let network be. So holding cash is a risk on my side because I don't know who be who. You don't know, as everywhere they hot now. You don't know who will come collect the one way they use the manage your life. So I prefer the cashless policy.
To tell you the truth, my sister, the challenge past the convenience inside the policy. I say so because of the time where they apply the policy. Before you apply policy to restrain, there should be sufficiency. And the way I see them, we never even get anything down to the grassroots where the common people dey. Not talk of making policy we go restrain waiting no day. Waiting they say where you want restrain. I understand say the intention behind the policy be to put to bring security around people where they carry cash, where they handle cash, where they manage funds. Funds now, they don't want to make it too much for cash to the creating security, to the endanger people's life. That is understood. But so many times here, people go come, they say network this, network that. Person who want to buy something, you don't go feel buy again.
For business people, the thing no work for us. So. You know, as a business person where I be, the thing no work for us because most of our customers, they will come, maybe most of them don't have cash. Maybe they want to collect from POS or they want to do transfer. So the thing, sometimes the thing will not even go. I think they discourage people now. Discourage me in particular, to put money in the bank because every day, when you want to collect, when you want to withdraw, when you want to put everything, the money they come out. So the thing no favor us.
When you want to pay into your account, they charge you much money. And you want to do another withdrawal, they charge you much money. So they are affecting business. I don't like the policy. So CBN should amend the policy of charging where you want to put money into your account and you want to withdraw is much. The percentage is much. Affecting our business. It's unfair. They cannot just wake up in the morning and make their decision that affecting the masses, the business people. So I don't like the policy.
You see they put money for bank with this new policy.
What can I do? Because to keeping cash is not good. So that's why I used to put money in bank. The network or the bank is too poor. The cash rate is affecting us. Sometimes customers will come to buy something and they want to transfer money. And the transfer is not going. Sometimes they will transfer, they will see the transfer, they already show you on their phone, but will not receive you don't receive the alert. So they are affecting us.
For somebody to go and deposit money in the bank, they will charge you. For you to withdraw your money, they will still charge you. Honestly, they are inflicting pains on the citizens. That's why I say it.
How about your business? How it don't affect you?
Honestly, it's affecting my business because whenever customers come to my shop, sometimes they don't have cash. Going to POS or going to ATM to get money, for them to stress and so many things. Sometimes transfer, the network will be there for me to get my money. So the whole thing is just, I don't understand. The whole thing is just affecting me. It's not helping my business to grow.
This new person now, it could encourage you to still put money where they are above 500,000 for bank. I be just kukuma make you just keep her for house where they don't go charge you anything. You will still put money for bank.
The solution is just very clear. I'll just split it into two. I won't put more than 500,000. Maybe I'll put it 400, 450, then make it up the next day, or even divide it.
People like us, when we know they get money like that thing will affect us well.
It will affect you. How it will affect you? How it will take effect you?
But waiting then they talk. They say if you go collect your own money from the bank, CBN bank go charge you. If you want put money, bank go charge you. Now waiting they pay us with that.
Like now CBN they don't talk, say they don't want make people they carry plenty money for hand. That's why they bring in this new policy. So you know they in support of them.
That one self, you know say no be everybody where they do market. No be then know how to go bank, go they put money. No be then know how to put ATM, say they go withdraw money.
Wetin be your advice now for fellow businessmen like you, because many businessmen like you they don't complain say say this thing no dey favour them or you know they favour them at all. So wetin you wan advise them wey they do?
Well, no be everything go favour everybody, but what is good is good. Only thing now, those where the policy no favour, let them endure. We have to support our country. We have to pay the sacrifice. So it may not favour you, but let's just work together as a one country. If you no favour you today, tomorrow go favour you. That is life.
Everyone should calm down within a short time. I believe everything will normalize.
The advice where I want give business people is say, any policy where government won't carry come, make them not just say no. Make them try see how the policy go start. If you get faults, they go give their complaint to government so that government will know say that their complaint with this, so that government too will know how it will take readjust himself for the policy where carry come.
Sensitization is the key. May they try know wetin they no know before. May they know say never. May they no reject the policy, because when we manage them well and get the good side of it, it can provide us security against criminals.
So wetin be your advice to government about this new policy? Wetin you want tell government make them do?
Make them just remove the percentage where they put on top. Make them remove and make them leave. Yes, make them just remove them. Make the market, make everything there as it there before. This VAT where they add, you know, favor business people.
I advise the government should amend the policy because they're affecting us that are doing business.
Since they don't apply them already, waiting I see there be say no going back. But inside the difficulty, where would they make the find way forward? Make they find where they go use balance the equation, reducing the percentage, extending the limits, then continuing the process of making money reach common people.